With the SmartThings Motion Sensor, you can receive immediate alerts on your smartphone if unexpected motion is detected. To connect the sensor, first open the SmartThings app to tell your SmartThings hub to look for your device. Make sure the sensor is within 15 feet or 4.5 meters from the hub when trying to connect. From the dashboard, touch the plus symbol to add a new device. Here you have the option to add a new room, automations, and other options to explore later. For now, touch Device. Scroll down and select the motion sensor in the Devices/Sensors section. Select the brand of the device you're trying to connect, in this case, SmartThings. Then select the SmartThings entry with your device's model number, which can be found on your device. Touch Start. Now select the hub and room you want to connect to. Open the drop-down menu to select an existing room or add a new room. Touch Next. Using your mobile device's camera, scan the QR code on the back of the sensor. Then, pull the tab that says Remove when connecting. Within moments, the app will find your device. The LED will briefly show solid green when connected. Feel free to change the name of your new sensor. Then, touch Done.